Our long journey across Peru leads us here, to the portal of the gods. From the Sun Gate, the lost city finally reveals itself, nestled perfectly between the peaks of the Andes.
Machu Picchu. Built in the 15th century, it was the mountain retreat of the Inca elite, a sanctuary of stone that remained hidden from the world for nearly 400 years. Stepping into the citadel, we enter a world where every block of granite was placed with celestial purpose, harmonizing the heavens with the earth. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Now let's explore the sacred sites. At the heart of the city stands the Temple of the Sun. Its rare curved walls follow the shape of the natural rock, a masterpiece of Incan engineering and worship. Beneath the temple lies a sacred cave carved into a royal tomb. It's a place of shadows and ceremony where the ancestors were once honored in the dark. High above the urban sector, we find the Intihuatana, the hitching post of the sun. This sacred pillar allowed Incan priests to tie the sun to the earth and track the seasons. Descending to the sacred plaza, we find the religious center of the city. These stones have witnessed centuries of state ceremonies and astronomical observations. The Temple of the Three Windows symbolizes the three planes of the Incan world: the celestial, the human, and the underworld. The Incas didn't just build for beauty, they built for survival. Their unique masonry techniques have allowed these structures to withstand the strongest Andean earthquakes. The agricultural terraces were the lifeblood of the city. They provided food, controlled drainage, and stabilized the mountain itself. Looking up, the young mountain of Huayna Picchu guards the northern end of the city. For the brave, its steep stairs offer a perspective like no other. Hidden on its northern face is the Temple of the Moon, a secluded sanctuary built into a great cave, dedicated to the mysteries of the night. Even here, at the top of the world, the Incas mastered the flow of water. Over 16 stone fountains still channel the mountain springs through the city today. Walking through the residential sector, we see where the artisans, farmers, and soldiers lived, a thriving community high in the clouds. The resident llamas are the modern guardians of these ruins, grazing peacefully where once the Incan emperors walked. From the watchman's hut, you can feel the true isolation and majesty of this place, a city built to be closer to the sun. It is a marvel of human ambition to build such a city without iron tools, wheels, or beasts of burden, just human will and stone. As the clouds dance around the peaks, you realize why the Incas chose this spot. It is a place where the mountain spirits feel present in every breath. As our journey through Peru comes to an end, the sun sets on the crown jewel of the Andes, a memory of stone that will never be forgotten. Thank you for joining us on this three-part walking tour. Peru's history is infinite and its beauty is timeless. Safe travels until we meet again. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Goodbye for now.